Greetings to all and welcome to the session 7 of Unit 3 Reciprocating Machines. For the subject Machine Tool Technology, the course code is 15ME43T. Myself Mohammad Imran, lecturer, Government Polytechnic, Dharwad. So the table of content, as usual, it is having a 30 marks question in the annual examination. Next, the principal parts of a slaughter. Introduction to slaughter machine. The slaughter machine, as you can see in the figure, it is very similar to the shaper machine. It is also comes in the reciprocating machine. Why? Because it also reciprocates. Here, it is just like a vertical shaper. The slaughter is similar to the shaper. Only difference is that the tool carrying the ram reciprocates in the vertical direction. Whereas in shaper, the tool carrying the tool post slides in a reciprocates in a horizontal direction, whereas in a slaughter, the tool carrying the ram reciprocates in the vertical direction. You can see in the figure, this is the tool and this is the ram. So it will reciprocate in the up and down vertical direction, whereas in a shaper, the ram reciprocates in the horizontal direction like this from here to here. It will reciprocates in vertical direction. So it is very similar to shaper. Difference between planar and slaughter is that in planar the table reciprocates, the table carrying the workpiece reciprocates over the stationary tool. Here in the slaughter, the tool reciprocates in the vertical direction over the stationary workpiece. It is having a table which is usually round in a diameter. So round diameter table is there upon which the workpiece is held, and it will be given upward and crosswise feeding by means of this lever hand wheel. The machine operates in a manner very similar to shaper. However, the tool moves vertically rather than in horizontal direction. The job is held stationary on the rotary table. The slaughter has a vertical arm, you can see the vertical arm, vertical ram, and the hand are power operated rotary table. This is hand operated, maybe power operated to give the cross feed or upward or downward feed. Principal parts of slaughter consist of bed or base, table and wheels. Bed, it is made up of cast iron. It supports the column, table, ram driving mechanism, etc. The top of the table carries the horizontal race along which the work table can travel. You can see this is the table. This is a hollow casting made up of cast iron. It supports the vertical housing and also it supports the rotary table. It is provided a guide upon which the table is rotating here. You can see that this is the table and this is the base. It carries the vertical housing and it provides base for table upon which the workpiece is held. Ram, so this is the ram, you can see here, this is the ram. It carries, it reciprocates in the vertical direction. The end of the ram carries a tool post which carries the tool. It provides the reciprocating vertical up and down movement. At its bottom, it carries the cutting tool, which is very similar to the shaper, ram of shaper, but it is more massive and moves vertically at right angles to the work table instead of having horizontal motion on the shaper. Cross slide, it can be moved parallel to the face of the column. This is the cross slide here. This is the cross slide. This cross slide, it can be moved parallel to the face of the column. This is the face of the column. It can be moved parallel to the face of the column. The circular work table is mounted on the top of the cross slide. This is a circular table which is mounted on the top of the cross slide. In the top of the cross slide, the table is mounted upon which workpiece will be mounted. Specification of the slaughter. Stroke length of the ram, that is the total movement of the ram from top to bottom, that is used for specification of slaughter. Diameter of the rotary table. So this diameter of the rotary table is also used to specify the slaughter. The maximum cross and longitudinal travel of the table. Maximum cross and longitudinal travel. Cross travel and longitudinal travel. Cross travel and longitudinal travel of the table. Then power of the motor. Type of the quick return motion mechanism used. Net weight and the floor space required. So before that, we must know the difference between the shaper and the planer. The shaper is ram. In the shaper, the ram carrying the tool reciprocates in the horizontal direction, whereas in slaughter, the ram carrying the tool reciprocates in the vertical direction. So in shaper, we have table which is upon which the vices are mounted, but in the slaughter we have rotary table which is mounted on the cross slide. So in a shaper, the tool is held. The tool is mounted on the clapper box, whereas in slaughter, there is no need of putting the cutting tool in the clapper block. In shaper, the quick return motion mechanism is used in both planer and shaper. The planer is intended to for larger workpiece than the shaper. The planer is the slaughter is intended to work on larger workpiece compared to shaper. So before going to end this session, we'll just see the working of the planer machine. A simple video. I am reciprocate in vertical direction. This is the rotary table. Speed movement of table. This is power operated table. The table will be given speed. ठीक है, अब टेबल की जगह और किसी को स्पीड दे दो. Cross travel of the table. इस पे फिर मूवमेंट आ गई. ठीक है, आगे पीछे चला दो. Navigating travel. ठीक है, उल्टा. ठीक है, टेबल घुमा दो. ठीक है, उल्टा. ठीक है, अभी आगे पीछे. ठीक है, अपनी तरफ ले आओ. ठीक है.
This machine can do taper, slotting in taper. ये दिखा दो इसको एक बार खोल के. Setting the inclination angle. करना है क्या? करो चाबी से करो. Now it will do job in taper. ठीक है, एक बार टाइट करके चलाना है एक बार आप. अच्छा, अब एंगल में काम करेगा. पेपर स्लॉटिंग. ठीक है.